There's something special about hands. I do not know what or why or even where it comes from, but I could sit, stare and watch hands move and make and soothe and create and tie and wash and dry and manufacture magic out of pure nothingness the air provides them when they illustrate the words that float from your lips. There are stories, so many stories in the wrinkles of palms and the tiny smiles where your thumb's knuckle decides to bend. What will these hands say when roughed and scarred, wrinkled, and slowly clenched closed? What when our bodies pull our fingers to a quiet fist in a final act of defiance against the aging we are fighting? Will those stories be? These hands will be cut and burned and blackened with ash as we sift through what we set fire to. We are the remains when the excuses have been burned down, and the colors of life will hide under our fingernails. We are these hands, tough but gentle, strong but soft. We, like they, were made for building and holding, painting and writing, and drawing inkless art on the canvas of bare skin. Listen to the words my hands say as they trace the lines of yours. Hear the whispers as they cartwheel down your back. These hands tell stories, and I'll spend my life wondering what your hands tell my hands when your fingers find my fingers and wrap tightly around